All right, everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated as always. Going to be doing a quick tutorial video on how to purchase a FOMO Apes NFT while using your Klever K5 wallet. So you're going to open up your Klever K5 wallet, and on the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see browser. Click on that. It'll bring you to this page here called Klever Browser. All right, you're going to go to type a web address and click in www.fomoapes.io. And that will bring you to their website. So let's click on that. You're going to go to click on Mint NFTs. And here it'll bring you to the Klever Explorer. You're going to conduct the transaction. So you're going to choose contract. You're going to put buy. And then you're going to switch from market buy to ITO buy. The ITO asset is FOMO, all caps, dash 1RW6. Currency ID is going to be Klever. So you're going to put KLV. And then the amount is how many NFTs you're going to be purchasing, not the amount of Klever. So if you do one NFT, it'll be 800 Klever. That's the price of the NFT. So we're going to, for purposes of this video, we'll do one. And create transaction. Proceed at own risk. And you can see transaction broadcast successfully. So after that happens, you should get a dusting of some crypto, which is an event that's going on right now, any transaction on the blockchain, and you get sprinkles there. I just received some KFI and some Satoshi for conducting this transaction. So if you want to see where your NFT is, just go to klevernft.com in the web browser here, and it'll bring you to here, and you can look at your FOMO Apes. And here you can see I just got number 759. And so that's going to be the end of the tutorial, guys. Let me know. Are you going to be buying these? Hopefully this video helped you. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, share. Much appreciated. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. With your help, I can do that. And help create the channel and make it better. Appreciate you all watching. We'll see you on the next video.